Let's use another one. I think I'll let me use this. So this is one of the sites I have. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to merge. So this is one I would like to use. So what we'll do is this place after you create your log site, then here make sure you make a backup. Come back here, that is restore. Click on restore. This is where you upload the file that was given to you. So let me open that file for the ebook. I think I shall be here. So this upload it. The thing is restored. Now this is the previous one. So now let's stop this, refresh it. So basically this is how it looks like for you to use. So that particular one that you're supposed to download, which is the book info generator. The book info generator basically you download it on your phone. Then when you go here, when you download it on your phone, now you see once you download it on your phone, what happens is this. It will help you to be able to upload the book through that particular one to this. So let me I think let me open it. Let me open it see. Okay, so this is the book info generator. The book info generator. Okay. So so this is the book. So if the book is free, indicates free. If it is paid, you indicate paid. So here, if it is ebook, you indicate the ebook. If it is audio book, you indicate it's a video book, you indicate any of these. So let's say ebook. Then here you indicate if it is it available, you indicate it. If it is coming soon, you indicate it. If it is out of stock, you indicate it here. Now, here is where you can choose whether it's in dollar, pound, or whatever. You indicate the amount. That's the currency symbol here. Then you come here. You also indicate the price you want to put. This is current price, and this one is original price, which is um this is the current, and this is the original price you want to put as an option or something like that. So you leave it. So if it is PDF, you indicate PDF. If it is this, you indicate. So any of them that you think that particular this, if it is audio, you indicate it's zipper, you indicate it. Then here you indicate the language. Here you indicate the category. Then here you indicate the number of pages. Then here you indicate the size. That's the file size. That's the PDF size. Then here you indicate the version of the book. This is an option, so you can choose to leave it. Then here is add another image. So let's say basically your cover book. So let me say I have a book, paid ebook available. So let's put 20. Okay, let's put 20 is PDF. Then here we indicate kits. Let's indicate kits. Then let's indicate 39 pages. Let's say the size is 1.3.1 MB. Then publisher, that's your store publication. Let's say, let me use the Guitar Dev solution. Then date you release this book, you indicate it here. So let's pick today's date. Okay. Then let's make this version 3.0.1. Okay. Now here is the cover, so you can choose to let me generate another. So here is basically a preview or page preview. So you can just paste in the URL of the page preview. So okay, you can paste in the page preview here. So okay, so let me see. What you will do is you upload it and you send the URL using Pixel. Okay, so inside my Pixel, let me see if I can upload. Let me upload the image. So I'm going to upload that the core book here in my Pixel. So created the kit book. Okay, so this I use ChatGPT to create it. You can also do it. So basically I need to upload it somewhere. Mm, I think we should use Google Agency. Right. So let me use Google Drive. Okay. So let me log into my Google Drive and upload that because on that thing it's going to ask you to upload that particular, that's the preview gallery image URL. So before you do this, let's upload it here. we are going to upload it. Let me upload the file. So this, let me upload this. I think maybe what is the basically that's the URL of the image. So, okay, wait, so let's get okay. Let's do something like this. So this place is basically where they want them to buy the book. So here, let me use the same link. Okay. So here, let's say that is the link to your book. Link to your book on Google Play is what you use here. So I said, okay, so here is the link to your book on Google Play. You paste it here. So basically here could be a payment if you want them to do payments here. So maybe I have a payment gateway. Let's say um I want them to WhatsApp me for that book before. Or you have a payment gateway. Let's say you have it on how do you call it? Using Paystack. You have it on Paystack or something. You can just drop the link here. So let me just use any link for now. Okay, let me use. So let's just use this. But basically, you need to use the link for payments. Or go here, then paste in the book on your Google Play book. Then you leave this and put it here. So that way they can pay through that particular channel. So here is the download file format. Okay, so that is the file format. You can drop the book inside Google Drive like this. Click here, upload file. So like this is the book. Okay, upload it here. So that is where you drop the link here. So don't drop the old link. Okay. So here you can click on generate to convert. So that is it. You can add more or leave it. Then here if the book is in series, you indicate the series. If you have a table of contents, you indicate that is optional. This one is optional. This one too is optional. So here is the title and author of the description. Okay. So once you are done with all this, So this is the instructions on how to get one. Say first you need to fill in the form on your left, which is this form. Then click copy above. In the blogger, you create edit your post. Switch the editor to HTML, then paste this code. Paste this anywhere inside your post content, then switch back to. So what it tells you is this: copy this, go back to blogger. So here is where you go. Now what you are going to do is this: to click new post. Okay, now you can give it the title. Come here. Here you can see compose view is different from using HTML view. So this is the HTML view. After you've copied it, you paste it here like this. Then click on to read the instructions well again. Then after that, you say please publish. You see it. So click here. Click on publish. Let's refresh and see. So this is it. This is the book. So now because you are not seeing the preview here, it's due to this. Let's switch it back. So here, let me choose this. So let's go for the book. So this to upload it. You have to convert it back to the compose view. Then you'll be able to upload it back here to make it to preview. So let's update it. Once you're done, let's refresh it and see if it show up that upgrade. Okay, let's convert. So preview is appearing. It is inside Google Drive, so that is page preview. So here, let me see. I want to upload the one I uploaded. Let me see. Maybe we can see if we can pick it here. Uh, not here. Let's see this. Let's upload the now. Mm, I think we have, okay, we have something there. So let me copy it. Okay, this is basically for clip video. This is it. This is, you see, it's showing now. So that is it. So here is the title because we didn't put a title. So our title is Yao in Magic Cocoa Beans, which is this place to indicate Yao and the magic. Okay, let's update it. So we're going to refresh it. Now you see that's shown. So that is this. Now for you to see in this job grant here, I'll show you. Now basically it's from here. So if I type ebook, okay, so let me update it. You see this part is what you see over there. So now when you refresh this, you see it. Now this is showing here. So the more you add that tags, it will show plenty over there. So no need to only just type only one ebook, which indicates kind of like you can use it basically like a category. So you could see only one ebook. So you see, so if I change all these things from those posts into this, it will indicate it. And here is what is indicating the number of maybe books or categories having their own post, that kind of way. Okay. So basically for you to do some few changes or editing inside those things like this. Okay. Then once we are done with this, we come back. Is what we call the layout. Now inside this layout, so for people who find it difficult to do hard coding or whatever, this layout should be part of one of the things that can help you. You see this pencil tool is where you click on to make some few changes. So basically this one is this section. Is this section. That is mastering personal finance, which is this particular one. So for you to change it, like let's say you want to change this. Let's see book. Okay, that's this. You maybe you want to change the name here. You change from this. That is this you change. Then those images you are seeing that can slide, you check here. Is this one is basically this. Okay. Then if you come inside, you can see complete whatever. This is basically somewhere inside this contents. Okay. Then all these ones you are seeing includes those ones. Now this buy now with this money here. Show you is this that you are seeing buy now. That's it. That's what you are seeing. Then you see learn more, which is this. Maybe you connect it to other place. Then buy now here you change only this hashtag. Then you put your Google book link, a link to your Google book to buy it on the Play Store. You connect it here. That is it. Then here you can see the digital marketing ebook cover. So if you want to change this is the image URL. So let's say you have an image URL, you want to change it, you change it here. Okay. You can just create an account with these people. That is slash. Here, can create an account over there. Can just create an account, upload that image over there, then copy the image URL, then come and use it to replace this. The same CC is the same thing here. You can see new release. That is what you saw. New release. That is gone. Okay, that. New release. This one. So you do the same thing here. Buy now. It is what this amount. You see the amount 14. So here you connect it to that book, that particular book. So the same thing as in here. Download free is the same thing. So that is the slider. Then here is the category row. You click on this pencil tool. So let me show you this. These ones you are seeing. Maybe you want to change the names here and the icons. So let me show you. This is the category you saw. Okay. Then this is cat click. So basically the icon you will use is this. You see, it's indicating when they search, which is indicating search slash label business. So what it tells you is if I tap on this, anything relating to business will pop out. Okay, so that is what it means. So if I touch on, let's say kids, anything relating to kids, it will pop out. So let me show you what I'm doing. Some few change here. Let's do some few change. We saw kids. This is health. Okay, so here, let's make it. Let's change it to this. Okay, let me go to the home page. So is it ebook? Okay, so I'm going to make it like this. Ebook. Okay, so meaning that anything relating to this will pop out. Let's save it. Let's see if it will work. This is changed. Can you see it now? Okay. So, so usually telling you anything relating to this ebook. Oh, this one is a B. Okay. So here, let's save it here. Go back. Let's refresh it now. Okay. So let's see. You see, it's indicating that particular book here. Okay. So let me go back. So now, if you do for the same thing for these jobs, it will show the same thing. That is these categories. So if you let's say ebook, book for kids, that kind of let's say okay. So now let's try jobs and see. Okay, this is the place. Okay, so let's change something from health. Okay, let's change this. Let's make it job. Basically, is jobs. Okay, so let's add S. So what it's trying to tell you, what you are seeing here is it should search for any article or any post relating to this particular category. That way it will fetch it out. It will fetch any category or post that is falling within this range of name job. So let me change this jobs. Okay. Then click on save. Let's save it here too. We go back, we refresh. Now you see we have the jobs. So that is what you are seeing there. You see comment section. So that is it. Then this one is the main, that's the main post. You see, you can click on the pencil. So that is it. Then this one is the main, that's the main. So this is the pencil, that's the page. The number of reviews is 5. You see it here. So that's the number of posts on the main page. Like number of posts you want to see on the main page, which is the number of this is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is what you're seeing. If you increase it, let's say you increase it to 10, increase it to 10, then let's click on save. Come back here, let's refresh. You see, it has increased. Can you see it now? Mhm. Now this an error here. So you see it. Okay. So this is basically popular books, which indicates books like the ones that are being viewed more on the page to clients, and this one is recent ones that are uploaded. Okay. Then over here you have the newspaper. So here is your social media handle. So I'm going to show you. Now this is the header. Okay. Click here. This is the blog title. Be that is this. Now so that's it. So let's say e okay. Ebook shop. Okay. Shop. Just gonna refresh myself. You see, don't you? Yeah. That is it. So then this is the search. That is the sidebar. This is the sidebar. This search has seen that the sidebar. So that is this part we have here. So you see search ebooks. That's what you're seeing. This is what you're seeing. Search ebooks. That's what you're seeing there. Then this is search. You see this is the summit. It will trigger it to bring out the information. Okay, you can modify it yourself if you want. Then this is category part. Now you see it indicates all labels. Now if I choose select labels, that means if should in case I'll show you something. Now you see we have ticked all. Okay, I don't want maybe I only want this and this to show in the category only. But if you tick everything like this here as it is, now go to this place. Let's choose this. Okay, let me show you. Like the way we have it here. You see, you have ebook. Okay, then maybe I indicate kids. Okay, comma. Then uh, let's say culture. Okay, then I save. See, you see this. Okay, so let me show you. Once I click on refresh, you see it has brought this. But this is linked to this. This one is linked to this. Now I don't want all the labels that you put there will show. So what you do is this. Instead of doing you once you do it like this, you can choose to leave it like that. I'll show you. You go back here. Go back to the layout. Okay. Go back to layout. Yeah, that is the sidebar. Now we will not choose all. We go here, select, then we uncheck this. Then we uncheck this. You see it. Leaving only this. We can also uncheck this. Leaving one, two, three, four. You get it. Then that way you save it. Now see, it will clear those ones that we don't need out. Now you see it has cleared it. So the basically purpose was that that particular one is kind of like a label. Okay, then it's a label. Let me show you. Okay, let me open it. See, here. You see, this is the label culture, blah blah. You see, it's showing here. But because we don't want everything to show on the it becomes it long, so that is why we choose only this as our category. Okay, let's go back. So then, from the label category, we moved into popular books. These are the ones that people have often people view often to all time. So popular book should be for last 7 days. Okay, that should be okay. Then you click on save. So here you can see number of maximum number to show, which is 5. You can choose to indicate maybe less than that. So you can choose less than 5 for maintain that 5. Then we have recent books. Recent books should be current books that are uploaded. Okay, so recent books. So you see, this is the content that triggers recent books that are uploaded currently. Then here is your newspaper. Now here is the magic you can do. Here is a form when they submit or try to submit a form to this part. So this is the recent one. So this part, this is the submit, subscribe. Okay, this is subscribe. Send, see, button. You see it. It's an email type. Okay, you trigger it and send it to an email. We come to followers. Followers is this as a social media handle. So let's say you want to indicate the social media handle to follow you. So here you type, you remove the hash, then put https colon slash facebook.com slash, let's say, Gabriel Solutions. Okay, so you do the same thing for this one is Twitter. You do the same thing for Twitter. Okay, this one is for Facebook. This one is for Instagram. This one is for Pinterest. This is YouTube. This is YouTube. Okay, and this one is Pinterest. This one is Instagram, and this one is Twitter, and this one is Facebook. Here, so click on save. So you see here, when I tap on your left side, you see it's there. Fresh. You can bring out the changes we've made. Okay, so now you see, you can see Facebook slash whatever. Once you click on this, it will take you to the Facebook page. So the same thing applies to where you put this one. Now let's move to this. This is ads. This is advertisement ads. If for now you don't need it, you can click. Let's see, click on the pencil. You click don't show. Since you don't have any ads to display, you click don't show. Then it takes it off for you. since you don't have any ad to display, you see it is off. That is it. Then you come to the footer, that is the happy book. You click here, edit. Now here you can edit the book, that is the image, that is this. So your own logo, you click here to upload the logo, click here to upload it. Once you upload it, then click on save. That is the footer one. Then we come to okay, footer two, which is the description. That is the e-trust, which is this one. You want to make changes, click on that, then highlight it from here. Leave the paragraph tag over there, then edit it here. Once you're done, click on save. Then you come to footer 3, which contains the social media handle. So here, like you see Facebook, so let's click on this. So this is Facebook, clear this. Okay, then put Facebook com slash please like, follow and subscribe my channel. So click here. You see, do the same thing for this. Can do the same thing for this. That is TikTok. So that is the social media. Then we come to footer column. This is legal. Do this, this. That's seen here. Then this. They are these ones. So once you click on the pencil tool, it will bring it out. You can make changes, okay? And choose to make changes. Like already it has this. So maybe let's say the URL for site is this. Copy this, paste it, remove this one, paste it. That way, so that it fits into. I always make sure you created a page for about us, privacy policy, terms and conditions, disclaimer, and all those things. Then you can fixing that your this thing over there. So once you're done with all this makes it simple for you to edit it to your description. Then click on save. Once it's done, that is it. So I showed you on the settings on how to add your search console. So normally you can take this lazy load. So lazy load basically means when the site load faster. Okay, it loads the image individually as the reader scrolls from top to down. Then this one also serves WP, that's web page, WebP. WebP basically converts most of the images from JPEG, PNG to WebP. WebP will also help your site to load faster when users try to visit your site. It will load faster. Then the lazy load is basically whilst you're scrolling, then the images will be opening to load. But if it is not that way, or once you open the site, everything will open at a go. And when one way or the other it does not, that is the cause of something like this. So you check all this as well. Then this meta, this meta description. So let me see. Let me give this one meta description. This is error redirect. So this is scroller and indexing. So once you tick enable custom this, then click here. See, so that's the way to take 5 330. So here is where you put your sites. This is what I was saying. So these are the, then save it. Okay. So now if we need to add this to our set console, let me see. So let me add that one. Let me see. Bit easy. So yeah, I'm going to copy this. Yeah, paste. Continue. Now I see ownership. Down. Click here. Yeah, it's added. So normally it takes some time. Okay, it's very well to see. Right, ownership. From here. This is ownership. So there are varieties of uh, you want to rank it. This one is basically for reference. You can use this. So let's go to tag. So here is going to you are going to copy this and add it to the header tag. Okay. So we have to add it on a header tag. We go back here. Then we do this. Go to your theme here. Click here. Then click on edit HTML. Now click on any place. Place this here. So you see this is the header. That's what they are looking for. So you just look for the closing header. So let me click on any place. Then click on Control F for it to bring this. Then tap header tag. Let's look for the header tag. So click on enter. You can type this. And it brings you here. Then click down like this. Okay. Then what you do is this. You copy this and put it in the header tag. Like it says, copy the meta tag below and paste it into the site homepage. It should be in the header tag section. You understand? So that is before the first body opens. So which is this place. So we paste it here. Paste it here. Click on save. It is saved. Come back here. Click on verified. It is done. You see? Uh-huh. So once you're done, you come back here. Then let's see site XML. It's a successful proceed. So that is it. That is what you do. Click on refresh. Then we go back here. So that is all. Now you can see all these ones. I only put one on here. So that is what I was talking about. So that is all. If anyone has any question, you can just answer. You can just bring out the questions and I'll answer you. So here is when you want to earn from your blog, you can connect it to AdSense. If you have any questions, still here, you can just talk. I'll bring out a question and I'll answer you, please. If you have any question, if you have any question, I'm still here. If you have any question, you can still ask them, drop it in the comment section. And Dominion, I hope you were able to do your own. If you're still facing challenge, let me know what you are seeing, the challenge you face. You can drop it in the group as well. I'm here to help you. So this page is basically to connect with you and saying. So if anyone doesn't have any question,